observation tower at Finnegan Ridge. And I'm afraid of heights, so... Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do this. Okay, guys, I can do this. I can do this. I don't want to look. I actually don't want to look. Okay, we're getting further from the... Honey, I don't want to talk about it. Huh? Are you?
No.
Oh. Okay.
Is it too high?
I'm not looking. I'm not looking. God's with me. I want to do this so I can tell everybody what I did.
We'll get there.
Yeah, but I also have to take my time because my breathing.
Yeah.
And then I'll get really... Huh?
No, I mean... You gotta...
Oh my gosh. I did it. Oh, I did it. Oh! Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh. Holy moly. My heart is beating so fast. My heart's beating so fast, you guys. Oh my god. It's so beautiful, but I'm so scared right now. Okay. Here's our cars down there. Guys. It's beautiful, but I am freaking out right now. Okay.